If you need to clear SurveyMonkey responses, the good news is that it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to delete individual responses inside SurveyMonkey so you can clean up test entries, remove unwanted submissions, or keep your survey data organized. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the survey that contains the responses you want to clear. This will open the survey workspace where you can manage both your survey setup and your results. Next, look for the Analyze Results option and click it. This is where SurveyMonkey stores all of the response data for that survey, including charts, summaries, and individual submissions. After that, select Individual Responses. This view lets you see each response one by one, which is exactly what you need if you want to delete specific entries instead of wiping everything at once. Now browse through the list of responses until you find the one you want to remove. When you're ready, click the delete icon next to that response. SurveyMonkey will usually ask you to confirm the action, so make sure you're deleting the correct submission before you continue. Then click Delete Response to finish the process. Once you confirm, that response will be removed from your survey results. If you need to clear more responses, just repeat the same steps for each one. This is especially useful if you have test submissions, duplicate entries, or responses that were entered by mistake. Just remember, deleting responses is permanent, so always double check before you click that final delete button. And that's it. You now know how to clear SurveyMonkey responses quickly and accurately. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.